Today we are going to explain about HTML attributes. All HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attributes normally come in name, then the values, there are certain ways to specify the attributes in HTML tag. So here we used img tag, and here we have defined the source of the file name, and then we have defined the values. So what we have done, actually this is the HTML file where we are coding on. Then this is the image that we want to show in this HTML document. So the file name is gear.png, and width that we had defined in the HTML code is 500 pixels and the height is 600 pixels. So these are the values of this attribute. So we will run this HTML example to see what will be the output. If you can see, this is the HTML attributes, this code executing this line. Then there is a break. So break means it goes to the second line. Then we have inserted a tag img that is called image. So this image came, and where this image is located, this is the location of the image. Actually I have put this image in the same directory where this HTML file is located. So I put the file name gear.png. Then what is the width of this document and what is the height of this document. These both attributes has been defined here. The values of this attribute has been defined here, width and height. So in case we are going to change this number, for example I put it here 3 and I put it here 400, and then I will save this document and I execute the same file and just I will refresh, you will see the height and width that we have defined here, it is the result the same way the result has been shown in this HTML file.